Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain.
Well, this is a live look at Vernon, Alabama right now, thanks to our Alpha Insurance Durham's Pharmacy Skycam. It's definitely been a quiet night outside, and that's kind of a nice change because it was raining all night last night. And, you know, we have that cold air back into the region, low 40s, maybe upper 30s if you're in places like Oxford and Aberdeen, but we're going to get even cooler thanks in part to the clear skies that are plentiful across much of the region tonight. So as you go to bed, you're going to wake up tomorrow morning sometimes at some point close to freezing. Some of us might be closer to the upper 30s outside, but regardless, bundling up is certainly recommended as you head out the door. Head to work, head to school, wherever you're headed to. Thankfully, we do have a nice bit of a pattern shift. That's going to be in the form of maybe a little bit of warming over the next 24 hours, resulting in highs that are close to or at the mid to upper 60s in many places in the Twin States. So today it was upper 50s. Tomorrow, mid to upper 60s, nearly 10 degrees of temperature change. So that's kind of part of this high pressure trend that we're dealing with. That's going to, kind of take run its course, and then we're going to see some more action middle of the week. And we have this big feature right here. It's called a trough, and it's basically this big swooping, just turning of the jet stream right here. And what we're actually watching is this area right here for severe weather, where you have the potential to get some uplift, to get some favorable conditions for storm formation, and that's exactly what we're dealing with kind of Wednesday into Thursday. It's a two-day event, not just one, and that's why the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, while they've actually issued an advisory for some of our far northwestern counties, this is on Wednesday. You get into Thursday and you see a little bit of a different picture. In fact, much of the area, almost all of the area under this, possible tag for severe weather. So it's one of those situations we'll be watching over the next few days. Certainly how this could play out, we're not really expecting most of the bad stuff on Wednesday. That is certainly a possibility with some more of these scattered showers and storms. You get to Thursday, that's when we just start to see some more of this heavier bands of precipitation. Now remember, this is a very low resolution model, meaning we don't have all the fine details just yet. But once we get closer to the event date, then we can actually give you kind of timing, impacts, all the jazz about everything. And then after this cold front makes its way through Saturday into Sunday, a lot cooler outside. Desmond?